to the Long Run Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
So what are we doing today?
We're showing you what we eat in a day. And this one is a Project 50 challenge video. And we're going to start with stuff that you probably wouldn't think would be on Project 50. But you get to decide what you want to eat, what is a healthy diet. And for Joel, he's going to run like 8-10 miles, something like that in a little while. So he wanted some Dunkin' Donuts today. So tell him what you got.
I got a sausage, egg, cheese croissant, Boston cream donut, and
Frozen chocolate.
frozen hot chocolate.
Yeah, frozen hot chocolate. Me, I am not running 8 to 10 miles a day, so I'm having an avocado toast. And this is a sweet cold foam, cold brew coffee with a few added flavors. I ordered it that way instead of doing like a latte or something. So that's what we're eating for breakfast.
Hey.
Okay, so I haven't eaten lunch or anything, and it's like 1:22. So all I've had today was that avocado toast and the coffee and some water. So I'm gonna eat one of these. I've been I usually am a Cliff Bar person, but this was cheaper today than the Cliff Bars, so I picked one of these boxes up, and so I'm gonna eat one of those, and I may follow it with a banana, or at least half of a banana. I have not been feeling the best, and I felt that might be low on potassium, so I'm gonna eat some banana to help with that, and the layer bar. And later I may eat a little something more. I'm not real sure. I'm kind of because I'm tired, I'm in a snacking mood instead of like fixing a whole meal kind of thing. So to me, grabbing something like this is probably better than my alternatives, because I could grab something like, I don't know, my son's Pop-Tarts or chips. I'm not really much of a chip eater anyway, but like I could grab something like that and it wouldn't be as good an option as choosing these. As always, remember, we don't demonize food here. We believe in balance. So it's not the worst thing in the world if I choose any of that stuff. It's just that this will give me better energy. It'll help me feel better from whatever's causing me to feel kind of low energy lately. But this is my choices today. And again, I may do some pork rinds and some Laughing Cow cheese in a little while. Okay guys, so I never ate the snack that I was going to eat, that pork rinds with the Laughing Cow cheese. I just didn't eat it. But anyway, so it is now time to eat some dinner. By the way, I didn't note this earlier, but Joel was called into work early, so he's actually had lunch and will probably eat dinner there as well. If he records it, if he has recorded it, I will include it. If not, then, you know, you're just seeing what I ate. But anyway, so this is what I'm having for dinner. I've got some of this, the rice, cauliflower, and broccoli. I'm putting that down in the bowl. Then I heated up some cilantro lime chicken, and I'm going to add that into the bowl. I'm going to have to get a spoon and get that out. But anyway, and then I'm just going to add some cheese to it. Let me stop the camera for a second, and I'll put the rest of my cilantro lime chicken in there. Well, I have decided to go ahead and have this little snack before bedtime. And so I'm going to have that, pork rinds and a little Laughing Cow cheese. And I'm going to call that a night. So if that is interesting to you, if you've enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day on the Project 50 Challenge video, then be sure to give us a like, share, subscribe, comment below, all the good things. Also, be sure to check out this video that's floating on the screen right now, because it is all about how we chose to modify the Project 50 challenge. It's not because we had anything wrong against the list that it had, but just that we weren't interested in the weight loss side of it. We just wanted to create new habits. And so we modified it so that it would be habits that we personally needed to create. Okay? I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Until next time, this is Christy with The Long Run with Joel and Christy saying, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. Bye.